Alright, I just got this Drag Specialties cam cover. I'm replacing the stock one because the chrome's all peeling off, so rather than getting it re-chromed, which will require an acid bath, the acid will eat away at the bushings, requiring new bushings, and then I'll have to pin the new ones, ream the new ones to the case. Be a lot more work, so trying out the Drag Specialties one. I'm going to test out the fit of the cam to the bushing, pinion shaft to the bushing, and then the alignment between cam bearing and cam bushing. So I have this Dave Mackey 580 cam that I'm putting in. There's the whole Dave Mackey package on this stock 80-inch Evo. Not stock anymore, but so I got the case. I got some case work done. The cam bushing hole was kind of chewed up. The previous owner looked like he took a screwdriver to the hole trying to pry out the bushing, the bearing I mean. So I got that repaired. Got a new set of flywheels. The run out on the stock ones were pretty bad. I think it was like 12 thousandths run out on the stock flywheels. So I got a new set of S&S flywheels built by Dark Horse Crankworks. Got the 4 5/8 stroke, which now makes it an 89-inch engine. So now I'm putting it all back together. So here's the fit between the Dave Mackey and let's see, this one right here. Dave Mackey cam and the Drag Specialties cam cover. Just got some assembly lube on here. It's kind of dry. All right, see how this fits. All right, it dropped right in. Spins freely. Doesn't feel too loose. Not too tight. Seems like a good fit. Any dragging? No, that's a good fit. That's a good fit. All right. So now I want to try out the pinion bushing to the pinion. See how that fits. So that spins freely. That's a good fit. Yeah, that's a good fit. And I have the stock cam, which I pressed off the gear. Put a thumb screw in the end so I can rotate it. Jim's has a tool. I think it's number 2280. I was looking it up last night to check the alignment between the bushing and the bearing for the cam. And someone on the HG forums had a good suggestion that I can just press off the gear, assuming the pinion gear is on there, which it is, but so I just press off the gear last night and I'll test out the alignment, and I'll rotate the camshaft and see if there's any binding. Just check the alignment between bushing and bearing. So now I'm rotating it, and that spins freely, so the two are aligned pretty good. Oh, that's perfect. Has the oil passages, both top and bottom. It's pinned in place. Looks good. The chrome looks good. All right, good. Oh, let's compare it with the stock one. See what the stock one looks like. Right, here's the stock one, which there's a little wear at the top of it. So all passages are the same. That's all good. Everything looks the same, except for the HD stamp, obviously. Ignition timing marks are there. Yep, looks good.